hooligans.
Frick, I'm annoying. It's Jennifer. Welcome back to another winter video on my channel. Today, I'm gonna be doing another DIY gifts video. This is like kind of more last minute gifts, but I wanted to make this video to also give back to you guys. So if you stick around to the second half of this video, I'm having a giant, huge giveaway. So I would recommend sticking around because you can win some awesome things, and I just want to make sure that you guys feel appreciated. I'm kind of like sweating currently, but I love being a sweaty candy cane. So if you like this video, make sure to like it, not just emotionally, and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And if you do, let me know that you've turned on notifications. You might be featured as shout out of the week at the end of my next video. Without further ado, let's get started.
Merry little Christmas.
Alright, so the first gift idea is this custom year logo crew neck sweatshirt. I got this sweatshirt off of Amazon for like $8. Then I designed this 1998 logo on PicMonkey, and this is inspired by a shirt I saw on Forever 21, but the year was 1996, and I'm born in 1998, and I'm like barely a 90s baby, but I act like I'm like, oh yeah, I love the Spice Girls when I maybe listen to one song of theirs ever. And I also feel like a friggin' dinosaur because I turned 20 this year, but it's fine, I'm not crying. So I first printed it out on regular paper with some black and white ink just to see if it would be the right size for the shirt, and it was. So I went ahead and printed it on iron-on t-shirt transfer paper, and then I just cut it out to size, and then I just peeled it off of its backing and placed some parchment paper over it, which came in the pack, and then I just used my iron and ironed it down, and that's pretty much it. I usually don't like to use transfer papers for DIY videos just because I feel like it's kind of lazy, but I figured this would be a cute last minute gift idea, and I feel like this isn't super basic, so I was like, I'll let it slide. Alright, so this next one isn't actually a gift idea, it's more an idea for some cute wrapping. So as you can see here, I have my boring cardboard box. This is actually my brother's present. You can definitely just use like white computer paper and tape them all together, but this is actually just an old map from my dad's work. So I just wrapped up the box like I would for a regular present, and then I'm just drawing these little Christmas trees on there with a black marker, and these do not have to be neat at all. I feel like that's what makes it look good. I was very rough with it. This took me 5 minutes. Alright, now I'm gonna add a little bit of greenery. I just picked this off of a bush in my front yard. Sorry, Mother Nature. And I also took this brown thread, and I'm just looping it around the box a couple times to make it a little bit cute. This really doesn't hold the box together, it just makes it look kind of nice. So that is wrapping idea number one. I think it's so cute and very aesthetic. Alright, for the next one, I'm using this brown parcel paper. I got this off of Amazon for $3. So I'm gonna cut this out to size first, and then I'm gonna take some white paint and a paintbrush and kind of just flick my paintbrush so that the white paint falls onto the paper and kind of looks like snow. And I'm also creating just some dots here and there by touching the paintbrush to the paper just a little bit, and then once it's dry, which should be pretty quick, I'm gonna wrap it around my box. And then I'm gonna take another bundle of leaves and tie that to the package with some string, and there you have it, some cute present wrapping. And I know what you're thinking, you can just get wrapping paper from the dollar store, that's cute, but I feel like I've never actually seen these kinds of wrapping papers being sold in stores before, like neutral toned wrapping paper. I mean, it's super fast, super affordable, and I feel like whoever you're giving this to will know that you just put that much more effort into your gift. The next gift idea is this body salt scrub that's perfect for exfoliating. Obviously, that's what scrubs are for. So I'm using some Epsom salt. You can also use just regular salt or sugar, some food coloring, some coconut oil or whatever oil that's good for your body, and a jar. So I'm gonna fill up my jar with the salt just to measure out how much I need. And since I'm gonna be making like an ombre, I'm gonna be using 1/3 of the salt first, putting in some coconut oil, and then mixing in 1 drop of pink food coloring and mixing that all up with a fork. Then I'm just going to transfer that over to my mason jar and fill up the bottom third. Then I'm going to take the second third of salt, add in my oil, add in my food coloring, and then mix it all up and put it into the jar. And by now you know the drill, doing the same thing with the blue and transferring it over to the mason jar. And if you want to make it more colorful, you can add in more drops of food coloring, but I love this pastel look. I think it looks so magical and like a friggin' cloud unicorn. And I feel like it's the perfect gift for someone who loves aesthetically pleasing things. So yeah. So those are the DIYs. Hope you guys enjoyed them. Now on to probably what you've been waiting for, the ginormous giveaway. And I'm so excited. I bought so many cool things for you guys. Actually, I did a vlog for Vlogmas of me shopping for these gifts. So if you want to check out my Vlogmas, my vlog channel is called Jen's Life. I said vlog about like 20 million times in that sentence, but if you want to check out my vlog channel, it's called Jen's Life. I'll link it down below. Oh, also just want to quickly mention, I am also having a Fjall Raven Konkin backpack giveaway on my Instagram. So if you want to enter that, just go over to my Instagram. Alright, so on to the giveaway items. I'm gonna start out with the most exciting prize. I asked you guys on Twitter and Instagram which one you guys preferred, and you guys chose this one. So I went to the Apple store and got you guys some AirPods. Whoa, sorry. I feel like AirPods are going to be so useful because I feel like everybody can make use of them. I personally have never tried them, but my brother has them and he loves them, so I figured I should get you some too. So I'm really excited about this. Next up, I'm actually gonna be giving away the sweatshirt that I made in this video. It just says 1998 clearly. If I were to wear it, I would definitely crop it, but since it's for one of you guys, I wanted to leave it up to you if you want to crop it. You guys are always asking me to give away something that I DIY'd, so I thought it'd be perfect to give this away. Okay, so I also went to Bath & Body Works because I'm obsessed with their candles. I got you guys this salted caramel candle. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, I really want to keep this. I'm dead. By the way, this is not in any particular order. I'm just grabbing whatever I see first in the box. Okay, so I also got you guys a little beanie. I actually have the same one from Forever 21, so we're gonna be twinning. Ew. Ew, not at twinning, but ew, that the fact that I said it like that. Okay, anyway. Okay, so I also got you guys some scrunchies from Forever 21. There's 3 in here. These are very like fall colors. Just thought they were cute colors, but I'm also gonna be giving you guys 2 DIY scrunchies that I made in my last video. So this one is a black velvet one, and this one is like a kind of pink floral-y pattern. You're gonna be receiving these 2. Okay, and then I also got you guys some string lights. They're actually in this box. They're just like some fairy lights that you can use as decor. Lights just make everything better, so you can never have too many. Okay, next I got you guys a Lush bath bomb. I actually don't know which one this is called, but it's a pink one. Can you even see that? It's a pink one. Okay, I also got you guys some socks from Forever 21. These are snowman ones. They are fuzzy and they have like these grip things at the bottom. And then I also am giving you guys some candy. These are those ones that have like little designs in them. And then I also got you guys some mini highlighters from Yubi because you guys always request me to give away stationery in these giveaways. They're really, really cute and I feel like they're kind of like stocking stuffer style. Yeet. Ew. Okay, and then I got you guys a bunch of like beauty supplies-ish, kind of self-care. So they're all in this little clear backpack. I thought this backpack was really cute, but I don't think I'm cool enough to pull it off, so I decided to give one to you guys. I also think it's kind of weird that this is clear, but at the same time I think it's like the coolest thing ever, which I know makes no sense, but I don't either. So I'm just gonna reach in and grab the first thing. Ooh, okay, so this is from Bath & Body Works. This is a Winter Candy Apple Funfetti Body Scrub. Funfetti. Did I say that really weird? Or am I just like losing brain cells?
Funfetti.
This smells really, really good. This is the first time that I've seen body scrubs at Bath & Body Works, so I was really excited and wanted to get you guys one. I also got you this spiced gingerbread swirl lotion from Bath & Body Works and also smells A1. Okay, I also got you 2 face masks. This one is from Pure Lease. It's a coconut and rice sheet mask. This one is from Peach Slices. It says shrink pores, but honestly, I don't really pay attention to what they're for. I kind of just use whatever face mask I have. And TBH, I feel like they all feel the same and like low-key don't really do anything for my skin, but I just feel like relaxed, you know? That's the real tea. Alright, so you will also be getting this Tarte palette, and this, I'm not gonna open this one, but it has a bunch of different like neutral eyeshadows, a blush, a highlight, bronzer, mascara, and a lip paint thing, and yeah. You're also gonna be getting another makeup palette because honestly, I get a lot of makeup and I literally cannot use all. Did you hear that freaking voice crack? Am I going through puberty again? I hope so. I really want to glow up. But this one is the Urban Decay On The Run palette, and this is like, I guess the red themed one. Has a bunch of like warm toned eyeshadows. They looking real good. We have a Diamond Light Too Faced highlighter. This packaging is super bougie. I'm very excited for you to try this out. And then we have a mascara. It's the Too Faced Better Than. This is a PG channel, so I cannot say the word. This is actually like a limited edition one. It's the one with diamonds. I'm not really sure what that means, but I guess you can try it out and let me know. I actually really like this mascara, so I keep ending all my sentences with so, and so I have to like keep thinking of things to say, but then I actually don't really have anything else to say. So at this point I'm just rambling and I'm just being awkward and like that's just the life. So we have a Urban Decay Lo-Fi Lip Mousse. You can actually put this on your lips and your cheeks. And then you'll also be getting this Lancome Matte Shaker lip thingy majig. It's this really pretty red color. I feel like it's perfect for the holidays. Okay, moving on into the front pocket. Okay, so you guys know that I did a video with CYO a while back, and they sent me a bunch of makeup that I literally will never be able to use up. So I wanted to give some to you guys. This is the Bronzing and Illuminating Compact Lipstick and Liner. This I use all the time. I love this color. Contouring slash bronzing stick. Metallic eye stick in this really pretty champagne color. A red lip gloss. A black eyeshadow. This really pretty metallic copper eyeshadow. This purpley lip gloss. And another red lipstick. I feel like you have a lot of red lipstick going on here. So now we have our empty bag, and is that it? I think that's it. I'm me saying that's it, like there wasn't a lot in that giveaway, but there's a ton of stuff as you can tell, and I hope you guys liked what was in the giveaway. Oh, freaking I have to do the rules. So for the rules of the giveaway, all you have to do is number one, be subscribed to this channel, Generation DIY, and follow me on Instagram at GenerationDIY, and then just comment down below what your favorite thing to do during winter is. Literally anything you want. Oh, also in your comment include a way for me to contact you, like your email or your Instagram handle. You can comment up to once per day up until the end of this giveaway, which is going to be on December 31st. So check back on December 31st in the description box to see who won the giveaway. And for bonus entries, you can also follow me on Twitter, and you can subscribe to my vlog channel, Jen's Life. But yeah, those are optional, but it would be cool if you did those things. But make sure to check in the description box for all the full rules and details. But yeah, I hope you guys entered the giveaway. It would be kind of awkward if nobody entered and I just would have to, I mean, it wouldn't be that awkward because I kind of want those AirPods for myself, but like, And if you want to, you can also share this video / giveaway with your friends who you think might also want to enter. I don't know, just okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy holidays, ho hooligans. Oh, shout out of the week is right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!